Welcome to the SAS Roadmap, your journey to SAS mastery and success. Let's begin at step 1.
Every journey starts with understanding the fundamentals. Learn what SAS is and why it powers data analysis in industries like healthcare and finance.
Next, install SAS on your computer. Tools like SAS Studio or SAS On Demand help beginners start quickly.
Learning SAS syntax is like learning a new language. Start with data steps and simple procedures. SAS works with real-world datasets. Learn how to import Excel, CSV, and database files. Cleaning and organizing data is one of the most important SAS skills. Procedures like PROC mean S and PROC free Q help summarize and analyze your data quickly. To become a strong SAS programmer, learn conditions, loops, and functions. Once comfortable, explore advanced statistics, regression models, and predictive analytics. Practice is the secret to mastering SAS. Work on real datasets and coding exercises. Use tutorials, books, and online courses to deepen your knowledge. A certification proves your skills and boosts your career opportunities. Finally, apply your SAS skills to real-world problems and build a successful career in data analytics.